My family. Presentation by me, Javier Molina. This is my family. My father. My dad is wearing his cop uniform. He has on his gray shirt and pants. He has his walkie-talkie on his shoulder, his golden badge on his chest, and his dress shoes. Around his waist, he has his tactical belt with his gun and cuffs. He loves to cook and run, but hates doing yard work. My mother. My mother is wearing a blue dress. She has long red hair and a silver necklace with accessories on her hands. She is of medium height and build. She hates disorganization and enjoys family reunions. My sister. My sister has long black curly hair. She has sunglasses and a gray blouse with some jean shorts. She has brown sandals and a silver necklace around her neck. She loves the outdoors, and any chance she has she will spend it camping, although she hates dogs and is not a fan of snakes either. My brother. My brother has a black shirt and dress pants. He has on a silver and black tie with diagonal patterns. He has black dress shoes and short black hair. He is tall and has a slim build. Thank you so much for my presentation. This is Javier.